In this video, we are going to take a look at how to create custom shapes inside of Adobe Photoshop. So the first thing I'm going to do is go to File, New, and we'll just call this layer shape or this document Shapes, and we'll just select a default Photoshop size, and I want to build this on a transparent background. So I'm going to select transparent from this drop-down menu. Click OK. And that brings up a transparent canvas for myself. And I'm going to go down here to the down to the bottom of my tool palette, and what I want to do is select my custom shape tool. So on my tool palette, if I click and hold here, or I select, I'm going to have my rectangle tool, polygon tool, line tool, some of the other tools here. I could get to that by selecting U on my keyboard. What I want is down at the bottom where it says Custom Shape Tool. That's the one that I want to select. And once I do so, I'm going to have the shape option up here on the top of my toolbar. And from my drop-down menu here, gives me the just kind of what you start with, pretty much what you start with inside of Photoshop. So I've got note here, asterisk, light bulb, some of the other ones here. Now, Photoshop comes installed with a handful of other shapes that we need to get to by selecting this button here. This arrow menu accesses our quad menu, and come down at the bottom and we can see to where we've got symbols, shapes, nature. If we select all and we go ahead and punch up append, that is going to basically add in all the shapes that Photoshop comes pre-installed with. And as you see, we've got quite a number of shapes that we can work with inside of Photoshop. You can also download additional shapes from various resources online, DeviantArt or even Adobe Exchange, and get more shapes built in for yourself. We're going to go ahead and we'll just select this dog shape here. Click on that one. And then just like as we've looked at before in building your shapes, I've got unconstrained selected. So I'm just going to click and drag, and as I click and drag, whatever color I have selected here in my foreground color, that's going to colorize the shape that I have. So once I have it, since I built it on a transparent background, I can move that independently of my layers and build on top of that. And that is how you create custom shapes inside of Photoshop.